friends, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is magic words which are please, thank you, sorry, excuse me, you're welcome. This is for class KG or class first. Subject moral education, English, life skill. Objectives. By the end of a lesson, students will be able to first identify the 5 basic magic words. Second, use magic words in simple conversation. Third, understand the importance of politeness in daily life. Now, teaching aids. Flashcards, puppets, storybook, video clip, magic wand, chart, worksheet. Now, introduction. To introduce magic words, teacher will start with a short funny story where a character like Mia or Max forget to use magic words and faces problems. So, these are the character Mia and Max is one who forgets to use magic words and some faces some problems. So here Max, a cheerful boy who forgets his manners, Mia, his best friend, teacher, narrator or guide. So narrator. Max and Mia were playing, so you are a teacher and you will start a story. You can use puppet of a boy and a girl and you can start a story like Max and Mia were playing with blocks in their classroom. Max saw a shiny red block that Mia was using. So here Max said, "Give me that block. I want it now." Mia looked surprised. "That's not very nice," she said quietly, but she gave it to him anyway. Later, Mia helped Max clean up the mess he made with his crayons. Max just walked away. Mia said, "You are welcome, Max." But Max didn't even say thank you. At lunchtime, Max sneezed loudly, "Achoo!" right in the middle of the group. The other kids looked at him, waiting, but Max said nothing. One friend whispered, "Max forgot to say excuse me." The day went on, and Max felt sad. "No one wants to play with me today," he said. Just then, the teacher smiled and said, "Max, maybe you are missing something magical, something polite." Max thought and thought, "Oh, I forgot the magical words." He ran to Mia and said, "I am sorry for being rude. Please, can we play again?" Mia smiled, "Of course. Thank you for saying that." So then the teacher will say, from that day on, Max used his magic words every day. And guess what? He never felt lonely alone again because the real magic is in kindness. Now, here are some activities. Role play game. So here, divide student into pairs and give them small scenarios to act out. Like asking for a toy, use please. Getting help from a friend, say thank you. Bumping into someone, say sorry. Sneezing, say excuse me. When someone says thank you, reply with you are welcome. So you can give students to role play. Now, next, flashcards, in which teacher will show some flashcards and student will answer. "Can I have the pencil?" So, "Please." "Here is your eraser." Thank you. I broke your crayon. Sorry. I want to go past. Excuse me. So students will answer the correct by when they will listen the sentences. Next, magic words song. So please and thank you, sorry too. These are the magic words for you. Use them kindly every day and you will have friends who love to stay. So you can use any other rhyme if you want to use. This is a short song for the students. Now this is the activity, magic wand activity. Let each child hold a magic wand and say one magic word with a sentence. Example, I say please when I want help. Now next worksheet. So this is a worksheet of the magic words. May I am sorry, please, excuse me, thank you, you are welcome. So for KG class, you can ask students to color the magic words by giving this picture. And for class first, you can ask them to write in the stars all the magic words which you remember. Conclusion. Summarize the 5 magic words and ask what is your favorite magic word and why. Make a class pledge at last. So we will always use our magic words every day. So this is the pledge. You can ask students to repeat after you. Homework. So for the magic word, you can ask each child to make a simple thank you card for someone they appreciate. It could be parents, helpers, friends or teachers. They can also decorate it and write, thank you for helping me, you are kind. So these are the example they can write in their card. So this is the lesson plan of the magic word. I hope you like my lesson. Please kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.